All right, kids, you might not know me. My name is Mr. Tara. I'm Miss Tara's brother. And I'm going to be teaching you from now on. She's on vacation. She went to someplace wonderful, Ecuador. And so now I'm going to teach you. So get out your math books and turn to page 45 now.
Well, hello. Don't worry about him. I came all the way back from Ecuador because I decided I'd rather be here and teach you through the end of the school year than to be in Ecuador. I'll go later. I can go anytime, but I only have so much time to teach you all, so don't worry about him. Close your math books, no page 45. Let's just begin our lesson and all is well. Excellent. Let's do some work with integers. While doing this, we'll consider the rules of integers and also order of operations. The first one's done for you. Notice you've got negative 9 divided by negative 3. So that's division. And then you've got that plus negative 2, addition. You do division before addition. So then you have a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So you have 3 plus negative 2, which gives you 1. So let's move on to number 4. We'll do 4, 7, and 10 together. Number 4, negative 7 minus negative 21 divided by 7. According to the rules of order of operation, we do division before subtraction. Negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3. So let me rewrite what I have. Negative 7 minus negative 3. And that, a double negative, gives me a positive. So I have negative 7 plus 3. And that gives me negative 4. Move down to number 7. Negative 7 plus negative 3 divided by negative 2 times 5. The way this works is you do what's the operations that are on top or on bottom of the division sign first. So before I divide, I'm going to take care of whatever operations are here and here. So I'm just going to go this way on my first step so I can go straight across. So first I have negative 7 plus negative 3, which is a lot of negative 10. Then down here I have negative 2 times 5. A negative times a positive is a negative. 2 times 5 is 10. So now I'm left with negative 10 divided by negative 10 gives me 1, positive 1. Move on down to number 10. Negative 6 plus negative 10 divided by negative 1 plus negative 1 times 3. That's a lot. Once again, I'm going to go this way for the first step. So I'll simplify what's on the top. Negative 6 plus negative 10 is negative 16. On the bottom, I have 2 different operations. I have plus and I have times. And we know, according to the order of operations, we do times first. So I'm going to do -1 times 3 first, which is -3. So let me rewrite what I have. -1 plus -3. There we go. So now I'm going to rewrite this what I have down here so it's neater. It's kind of squished up there. So I have -16 divided by -1 plus -3. So I'm going to write -3 minus 3. -1 minus 3. Or you can write -1 plus -3. It's the same. I just prefer to write it with fewer signs. When you get to upper level math, you will eliminate all the unnecessary pluses. So, simplify this again. -16 on top. -1 minus 3. It's a lot of negatives, -4. So now, -16 minus 4, or -16 divided by -4, excuse me, is +4. Let me get you started on maybe 11 and 12. Just give you the first step, and then you can do the rest on your own. If we simplify these across, we've got a plus and a times. So as you know, we'll do multiplication first. So I'm just going to kind of get a highlighter. Well, I guess I'll use orange. That's the only highlighter I have. So we've got that is what we'll do first up here. -8 times -4 is +32. So I have 8 plus 32 divided by -2 times 10 is -20. So your first step, I'm going to rewrite it neater, is 8 plus 32 divided by -20. So you take it from there to finish. Just so you know, this is not finished, so make sure you can finish this. Then I'll get you started on this. I'll do just the first step, and then you finish it. This has more steps than this one. So when I look here, I've got multiplication and addition, and same down here. And since multiplication comes before addition, that's what I will always do first on both of those. -5 times -5 is +25. -3 times -1 is +3. So that gives me 25 plus -4, or you can write 25 minus 4, which I'm going to write next. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So I'm going to rewrite that down here so it's not squished. 25, I'm going to write minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3. So you'll subtract that and add that, and then finally you'll divide it. So you got it from here. I think that you are set.